Number 1. 1980 Ford F250, $6,500, Franktown, Colorado. This well-preserved 1980 Ford F250 3/4 ton is a true survivor with only 108,300 original miles. Finished in yellow, it features a clean title, manual transmission, and 8-cylinder power. With a single-owner history in excellent condition, this 45-year-old truck represents a desirable collectible that remains both functional and authentic. Number 2. 1987 Ford F250 Crew Cab, $3,750, Salem, Oregon. Powered by a 460 engine with a manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive 1987 Ford F250 Crew Cab shows 160,000 miles. Engine and clutch were rebuilt at 130,000 miles, and the truck includes trailer brakes and airbags for hauling. While the exterior has rust spots and the parking brake and exhaust require attention, it remains a strong, capable truck at an affordable price. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet Pickup, $5,000. This red 1977 Chevrolet Pickup is offered in fair condition with 58,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission and 8-cylinder engine, it requires mechanical attention, including a head gasket and radiator, and comes without keys. Having sat unused for years, it is best suited as a restoration project for enthusiasts. Number 4. 1988 Ford F250 4x4, $5,000, Aztec, New Mexico. Featuring a 351 V8 engine and automatic transmission, this rust-free 1988 Ford F250 offers solid mechanicals, working four-wheel drive, and new tires. While the clear coat has faded and cruise control is inoperative, it includes desirable features such as air conditioning, a trailer brake controller, and a quality flatbed. A dependable project candidate. Number 5. 1984 Chevrolet C-10 on half-ton, $4,950, Tucson, Arizona. This red 1984 Chevrolet C-10 half-ton pickup has 105,000 miles and a manual transmission. It carries a Mr. Goodwrench 350 engine in place of the original 305, dual tanks, and a clean title. With no rust and road-ready condition, it makes a solid example of a classic square-body truck, though its air conditioning is non-functional. Number 6. 1983 Chevrolet C-20, $6,500, Ajo, Arizona. Equipped with a newly rebuilt 350 small block, this 1983 Chevrolet C-20 service truck comes with numerous new parts, including brakes, starter, fuel pump, and air conditioning compressor. With 154,956 miles, automatic transmission, and service body, It runs strong but requires interior updates and minor finishing touches. A reliable workhorse with restoration potential. Number 7. 1984 Chevrolet K20 Silverado, $7,888, Aptos, California. This 1984 Chevrolet K20 Silverado is a desirable square-body diesel with four-wheel drive and under 90,000 miles. An automatic transmission and original condition make it a rare find. While shocks are needed, the truck remains functional as either a daily driver or a restoration candidate, offering both durability and collectible appeal. Number 8. 1989 Ford F250 XLT V8 4x4, $7,500, Portland, Oregon. With 136,000 miles, this 1989 Ford F250 XLT features a 460 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. The truck runs and drives well, with both interior and exterior in good condition for its age. Offered with a clean title and good tires, it presents a strong value for a late 1980s heavy-duty pickup. Number 9. 1984 GMC Sierra C-2500, $7,000, Farmington, Washington. A classic square-body diesel, this 1984 GMC Sierra C-2500 is believed to have won 28,333 miles. Powered by a 6.2-liter V8 diesel with TH400 automatic, it was used as a camper hauler and retains heavy-duty equipment, including dual tanks and stabilizer bar. Recently upgraded with new brakes, suspension, and tires, it remains reliable, though cosmetic wear is evident. Number 10. 1979 Chevrolet Stepside 4x4, $8,500, San Francisco, California. This 1979 Chevrolet square-body stepside is a well-maintained 4x4 with a crate 350 V8, automatic transmission, and 3.73 gears. It has undergone extensive mechanical and cosmetic updates, including rebuilt interior, new shocks, Flowmaster exhaust, and recent brake work. With just over 10,000 miles showing, it is nearly turnkey and highly appealing. Number 11. 1974 Ford F100, $6,500, Chula Vista, California. A short bed classic, this 1974 Ford F100 shows 98,000 miles and runs, drives, and stops. Equipped with a manual transmission, it represents an affordable entry into vintage Ford ownership. Although sold with a lean title, it is a simple, rugged truck that remains desirable for enthusiasts. Number 12. 1960 Willys truck, $40,500, Santa Rosa, California. This 1960 Willys truck features a divided windshield, manual transmission, and four-wheel drive. Though showing a broken odometer, it remains largely complete with original parts. The engine turns but has low compression, requiring rebuild. Offered with a clean title, it is a rare restoration project for Jeep and Willys collectors. Number 13. 1966 Jeep Gladiator J3000, $6,500, Littleton, Colorado. This rare 1966 Jeep Gladiator J3000 Vigilante comes equipped with four-wheel drive, manual transmission, and original winch. Painted blue and offered in good condition with a clean title, it is a standout collectible in the vintage truck market, appealing to enthusiasts who value Jeep's unique pickup heritage. Number 14. 1999 Dodge Ram 1500, $700, Kingman, Arizona. A budget option, this 1999 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport 4x4 shows 201,217 miles. Recent head gasket work has been completed, but issues remain, including vibration at higher speeds, exhaust leaks, and deteriorated interior. Though it runs and drives, it needs significant mechanical and cosmetic attention, reflected in the low price. Number 15. 1967 Ford F250 Highboy, $8,850, Litchfield Park, Arizona. This 1967 Ford F250 Highboy is a four-wheel drive flatbed dually with 129,000 miles. Though not currently running, it retains solid floorboards and minimal rust along with new tires. With restoration, it could become a highly valuable classic, as even fair condition examples are valued over $15,000. Number 16. 1964 Chevrolet C-10, $10,000, Healdsburg, California. Finished in blue, this 1964 Chevrolet C-10 long bed pickup features a 230 cubic inch inline-six with manual transmission. With 80,000 miles, it has received recent upgrades including a new bed kit, brake system, and exhaust. A solid restoration candidate, it remains drivable and represents a classic early C-10 design. Number 17, 1954 Chevrolet Super Deluxe Pickup, $18,500, Eugene, Oregon. Family-owned since new, this 1954 Chevrolet Super Deluxe Pickup offers originality and rust-free California history. Equipped with a 235 inline-six and manual 4-speed, it includes numerous new parts and cosmetic updates. With its heritage and solid driving condition, it is both a collectible and a strong candidate for full restoration. Number 18, 1966 Ford F1 Short Bed, $20,000, Nampa, Idaho. This fully rebuilt 1966 Ford F1 Short Bed is presented in excellent condition with just 2,300 miles since restoration. Upgrades include a Blueprint 306 cubic inch engine, new transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, modern gauges, and new interior. Priced at $20,000, it is a turnkey classic combining vintage style with modern reliability.